Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Bonnaroo Update. I'm your host, Uncle Dave. I'm here with my new friends from Georgia, New York, and all around. Say hi, kids. All right, yeah. And it is raining like hell. And our spot is suddenly very popular. And it is nice. This is the nicest rain I've seen in Bonnaroo in a long time. And with the rain comes the mud. This will be great. So, that situation has halted the music due to lightning. But people are taking it in stride as usual.
Do you want me to get you?
Huh?
You want me to turn it on you?
Well, sure, why not? This will be a first.
Dave, everyone!
Oh yeah, you can narrate too.
Us and Dave!
Thanks. These crazy kids are always willing to help. So, we'll come back later with another episode of Bye.